LegalZoom Online Business Compliance App. The pros, the cons. The LegalZoom Online Business Compliance app helps business owners stay legally compliant, but most people get this wrong when they think compliance is too complicated or only necessary for large companies. The surprising truth is that even small businesses can easily track filings, deadlines, and corporate requirements through this app. One major pro is automation. The app reminds you of key filing deadlines for annual reports, business licenses, and registered agent requirements. This reduces the risk of penalties or dissolution due to missed deadlines. Another advantage is centralization. All your compliance tasks, documents, and reminders are in one place. This makes it easy to manage multiple entities or business locations without juggling spreadsheets or paper files. However, there are cons. The app primarily handles standard compliance tasks. Unique situations like mergers, complex licensing, or multi-state regulatory issues may still require consultation with a business attorney. Some users also report that customer support can be slow during high-demand periods. In conclusion, the LegalZoom Online Business Compliance app is an excellent tool for small business owners looking to simplify compliance management. It saves time, reduces stress, and minimizes legal risks. While it works well for routine compliance, complex corporate needs may still require professional advice.